quarter for Tikas Kapampangan, showing you the championship pedigree to build a great lead in that quarter. They look to sustain this run in the fourth and final frame as Jeric Fabian attacks and draws the foul. If that's on Lalica, that's his fifth foul. So, what a way to start the quarter. Tough blow for Coach Chris Calagio as already 5 personal fouls for his star player, John Lalica. As Fabian hits the first free throw, Calagio has to decide whether to sit Lalica or keep him on the court to make a chance for a rally for the Asinderos as Fabian makes both free throws. Lead is up to 19. Looking for a spark here is Pangasinan. Fabian loses it. And the steal completed by the blue shirts. Looking for a teammate. Torres inside. Lalica draws the foul on De La Cruz. As Coach Chris Calagio certainly looking for more, way more from his players. And for this one, more shooting or more arc from John Lalica after making nothing there on the first free throw. But he gets that second one to go. 18-point lead for Tikas Kapampangan. Gomez hands it off to Can. Munoz draws the foul. 2 free throws for Christian Munoz.
Warning on Tikas Kapampangan head coach Jeff Chan for unsportsmanlike behavior.
So Coach Jeff Chan warned for unsportsmanlike behavior as Munoz gets the first free throw to go. Munoz hits the second one as well. Back to a 20-point margin para dito sa Tikas Kapampangan. Seco. Torres. And the blue shirts can't control the leather. So turnover there. Ball goes to the white shirts. Gomez. Munoz. Now Lancer Can. Attacks. Kicks it to the right corner for 3. Off the mark. Lalica with a rebound. Almonte wants to find Lalica down low. Just the second team foul on the Tikas Kapampangan side. Torres attacks. He thought he was hit there. Ball stays on the side. Almonte inbounding. Tried to go for that knockout play, but Lancer Khan gets called for a foul. Alley-oop try there. Torres can convert. The Tikas Kapampangan read that play perfectly as Gomez attacks and scores. Simple basketball for Gomez that time. Just finding space in the middle. Now to their biggest lead at 22. Lalica tries to create space. And 2 more free throws for John Lalica. Again, Gomez with a straight line drive here, finding some space in the middle and taking advantage of that with the finish. First free throw doesn't fall for John Lalica. An empty trip on the foul line. Sorry misses for John Lalica as they are trying to make a comeback here. You can't miss free throws if you're making a rally. If you're trying to make a rally, every point is crucial. Fabian, the drive, loses the leather here. 3-on-1 break. Torres doesn't get the bounce, but he draws the foul. That's Renon rather. Rodel Renon heading to the foul line for 2. Reniel Gomez getting called for the foul. First free throw doesn't work. One of 2 from the foul line. Still a 21-point lead for Tigas Kapampangan with 9 minutes remaining in this game. Let's see if they can still make a rally here. But you can't commit fouls like that if you're trying to make a comeback like the one committed by Ventura. Gomez, the steal by Renon. The drive and the shot is good. Nice finish with the up and under. One of the few bright spots for Pangasinan. Take a look at it again. Rodel Renon up and under, evading that block attempt by Tikas Kapampangan. But still, Tikas with the lead here. We'll be back after this timeout.
Issue foul number 18, Renzo Picardia penalty. Fourth foul on Renzo Picardia. At the line 2, John Lalica.
Looking for teammate. Missed defender there as Lalika fell on the floor. So one less defender that possession for the Asinderos. Free throw is good for Lancer Khan, the NBL MVP. Second free throw is good. The reverse layup doesn't work for Renon. Manaloto. Victoria inside to Santos. Nice footwork there, but this just can't finish. A sorry miss by Isidro. Chance here for the blue shirts. Ventura. No good on the three. Manaloto pushes the pace again. Victoria draws the foul. 2 free throws for him. Ventura tried to stop that easy basket. And also in the limit here. Already in the penalty. As Victoria a chance to make it even a bigger lead here, and he does. 20-point advantage for Tikas Kapampangan. No good on the second free throw. Fabia attacks. Too strong on the layup attempt. Khan thought he was hit there. Manaloto inside to Isidro for the finish. Just Isidro just lurking inside the paint for that easy deuce. 22-point advantage for Tikas Kapampangan. Fabia retreats, or Renon rather retreats. Lalika. Torres doesn't get it to go. Khan pick and roll with Victoria. Outside to Ganya for 3. No good. And Ventura with the rebound. Renon looking for a teammate. Lalika working his way against Victoria. The turnaround. Shot is good. Nice move there, John Lalika. One of the few bright spots para dito sa Asinderos as the lead has continued to be within the 20-point range. Less than halfway to go in this fourth and final quarter. CJ Ganya. Nice feed. Bullet pass from Renzo Victoria. And CJ Ganya with a nice hands with the finish. Back to a 22-point margin for Tikas. Short on the jumper. Manaloto tracks it down. Ganya waiting for his teammates now. Khan attacks. Throws it up and throws it in. Lancer Khan continuing to do damage for Tikas Kapampangan. The lead is up to 24. If I'm not mistaken, this is their biggest lead. Ventura. Pull-up jumper, no good. Torres, second chance opportunity. Renon, wala pa rin. Lalika. Still doing the work here as John Lalika. Doing all the work for Pangasinan. Trying to make the score respectable here. And nice turnaround. That has been his go-to move. We'll be back after this timeout. Back to the game here. John Brian Lalika has been shouldering most of the load here for Pangasinan Asinderos. So despite this huge deficit, he has been one of the few bright spots, continuing to show the way from their last game. And Ventura with a steal. Can't hit the layup. Gets another chance here. Sendenya no good. Lalika again right on cue. Continuing to do the work. Although the lead is still 20 points for Tikas Kapampangan. Inside, the ball is loose. And the steal. Munoz all alone for the finish. A wasted opportunity there by the blue shirts. A turnover. Untalan in the game here for the Asinderos, and a foul is called away from the ball. Looks like it's on Munoz. The referees discussing among themselves what happened after on that last play, so they will review this one.
Last play, players on the court, to your respective benches and observe proper bench decorum.
So they are reviewing that last play. As you take a look at John Brian Lalika, another double-double for him, 18 and 12, missing just 2 of his 9 shots. Back-to-back double-doubles for the big man of Coach Chris Calagio. But the coach still certainly not happy after what his team has shown overall, as they are down big here, 22 big points. His team has been certainly on a run here. They are coming off a victory, and they were looking good at the first quarter and the first 2 quarters. But it was the third quarter where they started to unravel and let Tikas Kapampangan mount on that back-breaking run to grab this 22-point lead. So the referee is about to make a decision here. Looks like a regular foul.
It's a common foul on number 77, Harold Sedin, penalty.
So Harold Sedin gets called for a pushing foul there, sending John Lalika to the foul line. He can get his 19th and 20th points. Gets the first free throw to go. Again, take a look at this last play on the left side. 2 for 2 for John Lalica, 20 points and 12 rebounds. Munoz attacks and draws the foul. Pio Quinto tried to draw a charge there, but to no avail.
Running foul number 71, and Pio Quinto, his fourth foul.
Munoz missing that first free throw though. But they can afford to make or have those misses as they are up by 20 big points with less than 4 minutes to go in this one. Second free throw is good.
By the first score, CJ Kanya.
Ventura. Sendanya attacks. Back outside. Ventura. 8 seconds to shoot here. Untalan making his presence felt with that 3-point bomb. Ryan J. Untalan. Manalang with the right hand gets blocked there. He was asking for a foul, but no, says the referee. And Coach Jeff Chan not liking that last play here, believing there was a foul called. The referee is quick to stop this play here.
Technical foul against Pampanga, and then goes Jeff Chan for entering the court.
So Coach Jeff Chan gets called for a technical for entering the court. After complaining on that non-call there, believing Manalang was hacked there. There was some contact before that layup. That time by, looked like it was on Ventura. But no whistle was blown, and that got Coach Jeff Chan up. So technical free throw here by Untalan. Can't hit the free throw though.
18 seconds on the shot clock.
Ventura inside, Pio Quinto. The turnaround, no good, but a foul is called.
Running foul number 2, Jonathan Bruce's fourth foul. It goes Kenneth Pio Quinto.
Too many missed free throws. Not doing them any favors. Missed opportunities here for the Asinderos. 1 of 2 from the foul line. 17-point advantage for Tigas Kapampangan. Pressure D by the blue shirts. Is it a little bit too late? Too little too late. Manalang to the corner. Carlos for 3. Hits the board. Ventura tries to push here. Untalan. Sendenya for 3. Knocks it down. Nothing but net there. Or nothing, even net, but even net. Trying to make the score respectable here. Make a late rally. And out of bounds. So the blue shirts trying to make a run here. But is it a little bit too late? Coach Chris Calagio mapping out the play here as the referees review this last play here. We are in the twilight zone, less than 2 minutes to go here. Tikas Kapampangan looking good here. Their fourth win, possibly their fourth win in 5 games. But Pangasinan Asinderos trying to make a last push here. It's Asinderos ball. Ventura looking for a cutting teammate here. Sendenya throws it up way off the mark on the 3. Looks like it's last touch on the white shirts. It's on Sedin. 10 seconds on the shot clock for the blue shirts. Ventura. Ventura to the other side. Puntalan for 3. No good. Munoz secures the board. Manalang. Extra pass. Carlos for 3. Short. Sedin the offensive rebound. Traveling by Jasper Manalang. Asinderos calls for timeout. We'll be right back. Take a look at the winning mentality by both coaches here. PBA legends Chris Calagio and Jeff Chan. Their collegiate, professional, and national team standouts. It's not just Coach Jeff Chan with national team experience. Chris Calagio also won a SEA Games gold medal in 2001. So he's trying to do a Jeff Chan here, trying to make a solid coaching debut with the Pangasinan Asinderos. As Coach Jeff Chan, the reigning Governors Cup champion coach. Approaching the 1 minute mark of our fourth and final quarter. Ventura, Sendenya, trying to shake off Munoz. Skip pass to Untalan for 3. No good. Another chance, Lalika. Power move inside, and he draws a foul. And that's all you can do if you've been shouldering the load and yet the score is still not on your side. As Tikas Kapampangan calls for timeout, they are enjoying this 21-point lead. We'll be back. 21 big points. Or rather, my math is incorrect. It's just an 11-point lead, a double-digit lead nevertheless. for Ticas Kapampangan as the Asinderos try to make a comeback here, but looks like it's too little too late. 8 seconds to shoot here. And a foul is called. It's on Ventura. Ivan Ventura with his 4th personal foul. Carlos hits the first free throw. 12-point lead for Ticas Kapampangan. Make it a 13-point advantage. Less than 30 seconds left in this ball game here. Muntalan, another miss from that area. And they can just run out the clock here. Shot clock is off. And Ticas Kapampangan with a well-deserved impending victory here against the Pangasinan Asinderos. Coach Chris Calagio tried to give Coach Jeff Chan a run for his own money.